In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set notification triggers in Notion. If you've ever wanted Notion to tap you on the shoulder at just the right moment, this is the simplest way to make that happen. We'll keep it straightforward so you can start using it immediately, whether you are working inside a regular page or updating a database. First, open any page or any database property where you can type. Notion/commands make this very quick. To attach a date, type /date and then add the date and time you want. You can use natural language, so something like "Faye tomorrow 5 p.m." works great. If you specifically want a reminder that triggers a notification, type /remind followed by your date and time. For example, you might write "Send the weekly report /remind Faye tomorrow 5 p.m." or "Prepare slides /remind March 15 3:30 p.m." You can also use phrases like "next Monday 9 a.m." Notion will recognize these and set the timing accordingly. You can place these commands anywhere you are typing in Notion. That could be inside a note, next to a checklist item, or in a database property such as a task name or a notes field. The key is to include the /date or /remind command with the timing you need, and Notion will interpret it and attach the scheduling details right in line with your content. Keeping a bit of context in the same line helps later, so you know exactly what the reminder refers to when it pops up. Once you've set it, Notion handles the rest. When the time comes, the reminder will appear in your inbox inside Notion, so it's easy to review and act on it while you are working. If you are not actively in the app at that moment, Notion will also send it to you by email or as a push notification, depending on how you are using it. This way, you don't miss the alert just because you stepped away from your desk or closed the browser tab. For the best experience, make sure your device allows notifications from Notion and that you are signed in on the devices where you want to receive alerts. A quick tip as you build the habit: write the action you want to take, then immediately add /remind and your time. That tiny rhythm keeps your notes readable and your reminders timely. You'll find that sprinkling reminders as you write is faster than circling back later. That's all there is to it. Type /date or /remind. Add your timing like "Faye tomorrow 5 p.m. and let Notion notify you in your inbox, by email, or via push when you are away. Thanks for watching.